last night was crazy. Yeah, thanks for dropping me off. Yeah, they said the Porsche is in the garage for a minute. They said foreign cars takes a while. Yeah, they looked at that bad boy. They said my spark plugs is ridiculous. Yeah. Yeah, what I do, I'm an aviation engineer. So basically, you know planes? Yeah, I did that. Yeah. How much Quran I memorized? How much Quran? You know, just the classics. You know what I'm saying? Just like that, you know? I started my own duxie actually. Yeah, I don't know if I told you. Yeah. Where I'm at right now? I'm at my Abba's house. Yeah, I bought him this bad boy. $500,000 cash. You know, Bank of America just they on my ass, bro. They're trying to hit me up for a loan. Yeah, they said my inflation is through the roof. Yeah, khatar. Yeah.
What up? Shut up.
Hey, that's just my roommate. Hey, Abba, please.
gabdhaha Soomaaliya lugu waxay noo shaqo ka baxay dhacday bax yes bax wariya yaa been ku xagu guriga duu yaa afriga waa bax wariya